y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. On today's video, just a quick video just to show you guys how I mended my palette back together that I broke. Well, it's not a palette, it's a compact, my powder compact. So it's of my Black Radiance powder that I always use in ebony. I cracked it and then I dropped it again and it just was completely destroyed. So on this video I'm just going to show you guys the steps and how I mend it back together, and it's quick and easy, something you can do at home. So enjoy the video, guys. Okay guys, so on this part I'm just chopping it all up into a fine powder because my palette, it was like broken into like really big chunks. So by you chopping it up into a really fine powder, it helps when you add the alcohol and smooth it out. Then I'm going to take some alcohol and put it in there. Oops, more alcohol. She took 2 sticks and now she all over the floor. She moved that thing like a professional. And she don't need no man, she just need a plan. Wanna take 2 sticks and ride, wanna go with the man. They move it like professionals. I'm smashing it down. I put too much alcohol in it. Trying to get it smooth. Yeah. So once I get it smooth, I'm gonna let it dry. Okay guys, so the palette, I keep saying palette, my compact, my Black Radiance compact is mended back together. I didn't get to press it down really good, but you can see it's back together. I'm excited about that, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get a brush to try it out. And there we go. So I'm back. I saved money by just mending it back together myself. You can also do it with your foundation palettes, your eyeshadow palettes. Just, you know, follow the steps that I done and you should be good to go. And it took like a couple of hours to dry. It didn't take too long to dry. I just went overboard with the alcohol. So you guys know not to use too much alcohol, and make sure you press it in really good, you know, while it's drying or whatever. Okay y'all, this concludes the video and me showing you how I mended my compact back together. Something easy you can do at home instead of wasting money and buying another one. You can just mend it back together yourself. So quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Support your girl. And enjoy the next video. Be blessed, guys.